The massive space station Nexus hung in the void, gleaming with an otherworldly blue glow. Its colossal arms slowly rotated, generating artificial gravity. As Ellis approached the docking arm, the sheer scale of Nexus became apparent. Vessels of every conceivable design swarmed around it, creating a mesmerizing sight. Stepping through the airlock, Ellis's senses were assaulted by the sheer alienness of Nexus. The air carried a mix of atmospheric components, creating an exotic ambiance. Ellis ventured into the Grand Bazaar, where the architecture exploded into a riot of styles. Plasma fountains lit up market stalls of exotic matter, creating a kaleidoscopic atmosphere. The habitation complexes within Nexus are an engineering marvel, mimicking planetary environments from methane swamps to silicon deserts, all within the towering structures. At the heart of Nexus, the central Nexus hub loomed with its seamlessly blending advanced metallurgy and organic components, hosting the Galactic Council chambers. Ellis and Dex viewed the station's power core, mesmerized by the miniature star contained within layers of force fields, a true sight to behold. As night fell in the station's artificial cycle, bioluminescent panels came to life, casting a soothing light, carefully calibrated for numerous species.